Right now in government, we don't have a data problem. We have a clarity problem. Organizations show up in dozens of different ways across data sets. Funding is increasing, but activity doesn't always match. And reviewers are left trying to piece together a story from fragmented signals. This creates two risks. We miss real issues or we flag the wrong ones, and both outcomes have real consequences for funding integrity and for public trust. What if instead of asking humans to interpret messy data, we had AI structure the uncertainty first, not by replacing decision makers, but by helping them see clearly where the risk exists, why it exists, and what might explain it. This is the shift from data to decision intelligence. This is our proof of capacity engine in action. Instead of producing a black box score, it identifies three types of signals. Capacity, can the organization realistically deliver? Mismatch, does funding align with activity? Pattern, are there anomalies in the behavior over time? These signals don't make a decision, they create a structured narrative of risk. So this is the breakthrough. Most AI systems stop at detection, ours doesn't. It challenges itself. On one side, it explains why the case may be high risk, limited governance, inactive status, funding without activity. But on the other side, it asks, what if this is a transition phase? What if this is an early stage development? What if we reduce false positives and ensure fairness? Before a human even reviews the case, the AI has already debated both sides. This is where it all comes together. The system doesn't decide, it equips the human reviewer with a clear recommendation, the reasoning behind it, and the right questions to ask next. So instead of guessing, they are making informed, defensible decisions, because in government, the goal isn't automation, it's trust. And trust comes from decisions that we can easily explain. And we have a demo that we can share? So here's a demo of our platform. This is a live platform. If you go to any of these organizations that have been fed from the data set that was provided to us. So for example, we will try Red Deer Child Care Society. We click on this. We can rerun the assessment by pushing this button. So you can see how it actually works in real time. It's running right now, and it's using the parameters listed on the left-hand side of the screen here under the benchmarks. So we have identified and created real-time benchmarks to assess each organization as it's inputted, identifying the delivery, plausibility, program spending, staffing adequacy, and revenue diversity, infrastructure status, and compliance and reporting. So through all of these, you can see all of these tools. For phase 2, we're going to introduce a AI component, which you can see here. By clicking Run Guided AI Review, you will see those two AI engines that we just described in the speaking points. The one side is going to assess the signals that were initially run. Signal amplifier, as you can see on the screen here. And then on the other side, we have the devil's advocate, basically, which is the signal challenger. And so AI on this side is going to challenge our assumptions and make sure that we've assessed this organization in the best way possible. And you can see here the engine recommendations, and this is the human in the loop. So this does not go forward without a human reviewing. We have questions set up for the reviewer to consider as they're making the decision. And finally, they can select a decision based on the information that they've just collected and compiled. So that's it for our demo. We hope you enjoy it. Please let us know if you have any questions.